So, ladies and gentlemen, there are 3 nominees for the goalkeeping position on the TG4 All-Star Team of 2022. And the nominees are, first up, all the way from Ochonda Ardwacha from Armagh, we have Anna Carr. We have Ciara Butler, all the way from Kerry. And from the All-Ireland champions from County Meath, we have Monica McGuirk. On Chiad Gradam All-Star Gorn here Nocht, the goalkeeper on the TG4 All-Star Team for 2022 is Monica McGuirk, all the way from County Meath. This is the 3rd TG4 All-Star Award for Monica from the Duleek Bellewstown Club, previously honoured in 2019 and 2021. Monica enjoyed another superb season between the sticks for Meath. So well done. Monica McGuirk, ladies and gentlemen.
Hel na mam dó ar TG4